guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to learn how to install a plugin for a spigot, not bucket, well it can still kind of work for bucket, server, yeah? So first, you get your server open, so I'm using my server, Hornetcraft. You can join it if you want, it's really good. The IP should be on the screen somewhere, I'm not sure where, but anyway. Then you go into the plugins folder, or you can make your own plugins folder by right clicking and then scrolling down to new and then clicking on the folder and then just call it plugins with no capitals, just plugins. I'm going to delete that. So then you go into your plugins folder and then let's just put that aside for a second. Now you go onto your browser and you find a plugin that you want. You can go on to SPIGOT, it's for the Spigot servers, or you can go on to Bucket. You can use both, you can use either for like, you can use either depending on what server you have. I've got a Spigot server, so I'm going to go for this. So then you just find the plugin that you want, so I'm using Ultra Cosmetics because I need to update it anyway, and then you find download now, or if you're on Bucket you just find like Bomberman or whatever, and then you click on download, and then you click on that download and it will give you that. But you're just going to click on download now here on Spigot, and then we wait for it to install, we wait for it to download the file. And there we go, it has. And once you've got the file, we go back into our plugins folder here, and then we simply just drag Ultra Cosmetics into the plugins folder. And wait a second. Anyway, never mind that. So now that you've dragged your file in, and it will all work now, you just simply run your server, and it will all install into the plugins folder. Anyway, that's how you do it. Bye. Oh, and one more thing. If you're using a bucket server, the plugins folder might be somewhere else, or it might be called something else. If then, you can just watch a tutorial for a bucket server on how to install plugins for a bucket server, and there should be one that's good for that, but I'm mainly focusing on the Spigot server, but it kind of still works for bucket too. Anyway, sorry for the short thing, my mum called me for some reason, I had to do washing. Anyway, bye guys!
Like a hell.
No. He's Mo.